everyone, it's Nate and welcome back to a brand new video on my YouTube channel. Oh my gosh, guys. Today's video is over the moon exciting because I actually went to go check my mailbox and something was in there. My Champagne Dreams merch by Gabby DiMartino finally came. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to finally get this. So, as you all know, I'm a really big fan and supporter of Gabriella. She's literally my favorite YouTuber ever. I've been a fan of her since 2016, and I had the opportunity to meet her 3 times. I'll actually insert my meet and greet photos right here. And yeah, she is the biggest sweetheart, and I love her so much, and I wish I could meet her again sometime soon, but right now we're in the middle of a pandemic, so there's no way for that to be possible except it's a virtual meet and greet, but let's just say she gives the best hugs, period. So, nobody in this comment section better comment saying that she's an Ariana wannabe because, sis, we not in 2015 anymore. She's not a wannabe, okay? I will literally throw hands if anybody comments that, okay? Gabby is her own person. She made it clear multiple times, so do not come for her in my comment section. Okay? Okay. Now we're back into the video. So I ordered one of the pieces of merch from her Champagne Dreams items because this October, like this upcoming month, Gabby is releasing her debut album called Beautiful Mess, which iconic title, by the way. And I just can't wait. And this was the very first lead single off of Beautiful Mess. She's actually in the works of filming a new music video for the next upcoming single, which I am so excited for, by the way. But yeah, this actually isn't the first item that I'm ordering. For those who don't keep up with Gabby all the time, like me, because I love her to death. She actually is releasing a perfume coming in November, and I am so excited for that too. So just know there's going to be an unboxing video of that when that decides to release. But anyways, we're here for the merch. So let me show you guys the item that I bought. I bought the Champagne Dreams, or it's the Dreams pink crew neck. I'll actually insert a photo of that one right here. Yes, that's the one that I got. So without further ado, let's open this sucker up. So I actually got a large, so oversized sweater vibes. So let's go. Oh my god, I don't want to rip anything, I'm so scared. I see her face looking up at me, I'm gonna cry. Okay, there's the receipt. Oh my god! What? Guys! It looks so good! The graphics on this are like... Sis! Gabby! She even has her own little logo at the top. Period. Get your coin. Oh my gosh. The photo. Look how pretty she looks. Oh my god. Okay. We're taking this out of the packaging now. I can't wait. It is so soft. It is so soft. Whoa. Oh my god. Wow! Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. 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 It looks so pretty. It is really soft, by the way. Ooh, and it's really thick, too. Gabby, you got some coin. Wow. So this is what the graphic looks like on the front. It says Champagne Dreams, and I'm pretty sure this was the photo shoot she did for the perfume or for the single. I forget which one it was. And it's her holding a champagne glass, and she's, sitting there. I love the runny mascara down her face to represent, Beautiful Mess. And she looks absolutely stunning in this. Wow. And there's nothing on the back, by the way, for those who are wondering. There is nothing on the back. It's just the photo. I kind of wish I would have got an extra large, just because I would want this more oversized. So if you guys want to go for, like, an oversized look for her, or, like, you want to buy anything oversized from her merch, make sure, if it's a sweater, you go an extra, like, size up. So this is a large, and if you want to be oversized, make sure you get an extra large. This is so cool. Wow. Oh, I love it. Okay. Let me go try this on real quick, and I'll give you guys my opinions about that. Hi guys! Okay, so this is what it looks like on. It is so cute, and as I'm looking at it in the mirror, it actually does look decently oversized, so it's up to you if you want to get an extra large and let it be extra oversized, that's up to you. But to me, it kind of comes down to like, here's my like knee. I'm like, yeah, I can't even show you. Hold on, like, let me show you. So, so here is my knee, and here is like the extra like room space on my leg. So if you want it to be like past your knee like this, I would recommend you get an extra large. But if you don't mind a decent oversized look where it's not, swallowing you, I would recommend getting a large. So that's my opinion. But yes, the graphic is amazing. It is so freaking cute. I love this. I am probably not going to take this off just because I'm obsessed with it now. Gabby, I love you. I've been wanting merch of hers ever since 2016. And every time I try and get a hold of merch, it sells out quickly. So after I saw she dropped a pink, I almost said pink champagne. That's an Ariana Grande song. Champagne Dreams merch. I was like, yes, let's go. They also had a blue hoodie that I really liked. It's like her laying on the bed. I'll insert that one like here. There's that one too. I was debating on getting that one or this one, but I went with this one just because I'm a crew neck kind of person. So yeah, this is the Champagne Dreams merch. I love it so much. I cannot wait for her to drop the Beautiful Mess pre-order merch and like the official album cover t-shirt merch or whatever, because listen, I want to get a shirt or a hoodie with the album cover on it, okay? Period. And I'm so excited for her perfume. Like, y'all, Gabby is like a perfume queen, and I cannot wait for this fragrance. I'm not even kidding. So, yeah, this is what it looks like up close. One more time. It's her holding the champagne glass and her doing a kissy face in this cute little vintage outfit. It says Champagne Dreams and these cute little earrings. And the actual color right here is like a light yellow. It looks a lot more like, in person it looks more like goldish, but on camera it looks like a really baby yellow. And the crew neck looks really light like on the camera, but in real life it is a very decently like light pink, so you can tell the color. I love it so much. I totally recommend getting her merch. If you're a Gabby DiMartino fan, hi, subscribe. We love her. But for real though, I recommend getting yourself some Gabby merch. It's worth your money. I swear to it. But yeah, if Gabby ever comes across this video, just know, girl, I love you, okay? You're a queen. You're an icon. I stan you. I'm going to be rocking this until the release of your album. I'm going to support you, sis. You're an icon. Mwah. You're amazing. Keep up the amazing work that you're doing, sis. Like, we bow to you. Like, period. Keep on being your best self, boo. But, yeah, that's kind of it. I really hope you all enjoyed the unboxing of Gabby's merch. But yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. I love y'all so much. Again, if you haven't already, please subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. Like and comment down below what is your favorite Gabby video, because hi, we all stand her here. And like I said, if you're a hater, square up. No, I'm kidding. There's no hate here. But seriously, don't hate on someone just because of their past. There's probably a reason why certain things happened, and I don't want Gabby getting any more hate because she is genuinely the most sweetest person ever, and I will defend her as much as I can just because I know the kind of person she is. Again, I met her, you didn't. Don't say you know her when clearly you have never met her. Period. Alright, guys, for real though, have an amazing rest of your day. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Start with you. So go ahead and drive me insane.